Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to make a card in MS Publisher. For this, first you need to open a Publisher new document I have here in my. So here we have different templates, and from templates I want to select the card templates. And however, for this first I need to show more templates. So I come here, and here are cards. If I click on cards, so it shows different templates for different types of cards, and I come down to select one of them. Let me select this Happy Mother Days. I select this, so then I click on the create button, and it opens this card. So this is a Mother Day card, and there is, you can change this the position of what is written over here by putting your cursor and dragging it up or down. And similarly, you can add something else. For example, I click on it, and then I click this over here, and it creates a text box. I increase the size of the text box. In here I write my word, and since the text is very small, therefore I select I select the whole of them, Control A, and then come here to Home tab, and on Home tab I increase the size to something like 36, right? And then from here I can change the color, so I take this color, and now if I move it, so it is almost the same color as I have over here. So this way you can create different cards from the already existing templates in Microsoft Publisher, and you can change the format, and you can add text and remove text. However, the main text will remain the same. And please don't forget to give me a like on the video, and thanks for watching Safi Mixed.